Good morning, my dear students. The subject we are going to do today is English literature. In my previous class, I have explained you about the visit to the beach. We had done about Mrs. Ghosh's family, her sister, her children. Is that clear? And how they are all excited to go to the beach. Now moving on further with the explanation of the chapter. Deep asked Minnie, I hope you are coming to the beach with us. Now Deep is asking Minnie, I hope you are coming to the beach with us. Minnie is very happy. Minnie becomes very happy. Yes, yes, she says. Now Minnie is who? The driver Murli's daughter, and she becomes very happy. On the way, Preeti sees a very long bus. On the way when they were going to the beach, she sees a very long bus. She points it out excitedly. She points out at the boat and becomes very happy. She says, Ravi, look at the blue bus. Now she is telling Ravi, look at the blue bus. Now Ravi is who? Preeti's brother. It looks like two buses are joined together, just like a train. What is she telling her brother Ravi? When she sees the bus, it is looking like two buses are joined together and it is looking like a train. Oh, that is an electric bus. Now what is he saying? That is an electric bus which runs on electricity. But to me, it looks like a giant caterpillar, Geeta says. Now what is Geeta saying? It looks like a giant caterpillar. You have all seen a caterpillar. It is green in color and it is long. Yes. Ravi says to Geeta and Deep. Now what is Ravi saying to Geeta and Deep? Now Geeta and Deep are Ravi's cousins. Last week we saw the metro on our visit to Delhi. Now last week they had gone to Delhi, so they had seen a metro. It too looks like a giant caterpillar. Now that metro also looks like a giant caterpillar. I enjoyed riding the metro. Now what is he saying? I enjoyed riding the metro. It goes underground too. Now it is going underground too, means under the ground. It is so clean and fast. Now it is the metro is very clean and very fast. I love it. We travel by the metro on our visit to Bangalore. Now he's saying we travel by metro on a visit to the place Bangalore. Deep says, I loved riding on it. Now what is Deep saying? I love riding on it. Soon they are at the beach. Now soon they are all at the beach. Now while they were talking and discussing and all, soon they reach the beach. The children run to play in the water. Now what the children do? They all run. Can you see the scene over here? Can you see children? They are all running now to play in the water. After a while, the girls come out to collect shells. After playing in the water, some of the girls, they come out. Can you see on the sea some shells over here? So the girls all come out to collect shells. They also build sand castles. They are also building sand castles. Can you see in this picture? They are building a sand castle. Okay. Turn to the next page, children. Then they run into the sea again. After building the sand castles, again they run into the sea. The children splash water at each other. The children start splashing, means they're throwing water on each other. Aparna auntie sits on the sand and watches them. Now Aparna auntie, what is she doing? She's sitting on the sand and she's watching all the children. There are many people on the beach. There are many people on the beach also. An old woman is selling jewelry. An old woman, what is she doing? Selling jewelry. Many of shells, and she is selling jewelry that is made of shells. She is selling the jewelry that are all made of shells. Who? The old woman. Some little girls are making shapes in the sand. Some of the girls, they are making shapes in the sand. Two young boys are swimming with their father. Two young boys, what they are doing? They are swimming with their father. Far away, there is a ship sailing in the sea. If you see in the picture, far away there is a ship sailing in the sea. On their way back, Preeti and Minnie count the shells. Now they collected shells from the sea, so Preeti and Minnie, they start counting the shells. They have 38 small shells and 5 large big shells. They are having how many small shells? 38 small shells and 5 large shells. It is big shells. Minnie gives Preeti a big pink shell. Now what does Minnie give Preeti? A very big pink shell. Preeti is very, very happy. Okay. Now in the lesson we had learnt about caterpillar. What is caterpillar? A small worm with leg. A small worm it is, but it is having legs. Is that clear? Now students, I will read the chapter for you. You will read the lesson with me. Is that clear?